Welcome to Contractors Intelligence School. Today, we'll show you how to get your C2 insulation and acoustical license in California. If your job costs $1,000 or more, you must have this license. Let's get started. With a C2 license, you can read blueprints and figure out what materials you need. Install and fix ceiling grids, tiles, and wall panels. Put in different types of insulation, like fiberglass or spray foam to keep buildings warm and quiet. This license keeps your work safe and legal. You can apply if you are 18 years or older. Most people apply around 23 after getting enough experience. Have 4 years of hands-on work, installing insulation or acoustical systems. This work must be at the journeyman level, meaning you did the job without close supervision. Have a social security number or ITIN. Here are the main costs. CSLB fees, $450 to apply plus $200 for sole owners, or $350 for other companies. Bond, about $250 per year plus $2,000 a year. If you form an LLC, insurance, $2,000 a year. If you form an LLC, Blvd fingerprint around $75. Prep course. Our prices range from $295 to $495, with a 98% first-time pass rate and money-back guarantee. Follow these 6 steps to get your license. Number 1. Check requirements. Make sure you meet age, work, and ID rules. Number 2. Enroll in our course. Sign up at Contractors Intelligence School for study help. Number 3. Set up your business. Pick sole owner, partnership, LLC, etc. and register it. Number 4. Submit your application. Fill out the CSLB form and pay the fees. Number 5. Pass 2 exams, * the law and business exam and the C2 trade exam. Each is multiple choice and you get 3.5 hours. Number 6. Send final paperwork. After you pass, turn in any last documents to get your license number. Our course includes easy-to-follow videos with clear pictures, audio lessons you can listen to on the go, practice quizzes to test your knowledge, a progress tracker on our app so you know what you've finished. We have a 98% first-try pass rate and a full money-back guarantee if you don't pass. Thousands of students trust us each year to get their California contractor licenses. Visit our website, call 1-800-400-257570 to sign up for a free demo. You can be licensed in as little as 2 months. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple licensing tips.